It's a bright sunny day. We're at the stainless steel coil warehouse. Every coil looks in great condition. The coils after rolling and annealing. These coils are now ready for slitting. Feeding starts for pipe production. The pipe mill looks fantastic in the sunlight. As the molds gradually take shape, and the pipe is welded with TIG. The stainless steel pipe is basically completed.